In this video, I will show you how to make a simple recording using the microphone, and then how to download and share your recording. We're going to enter the studio. Now, the studio was an old term for when we would record on records and eventually tape, and we would actually have to go into a soundproof room called a sound studio. We still use that word even though we're just going into a digital room. So click Enter Studio. It's going to ask you if you want to use a template that exists. We will just use a blank template, although you can check these others out on your own time. If we want to record our voice, we'll click Add New Track, Voice and Microphone, and you can click Record. It's going to give us a countdown down here, and then we'll start recording. So it's recording here. You can see the blinking button. To stop, you can click Stop or the recording button. And as we look back, we will see audio waves, or a representation of audio waves. And let's see what happens if we hit play or space. So it's recording here. You can see the blinking button. To stop, you can click Stop or the recording button. If you see a flat line across it, it means you didn't record, so something is wrong, so you need to try and fix that. Now, this right here is called our region. You can see that I selected it and it lit up. If you're trying to edit something and it's not doing what you want, make sure it's selected. So with our region, you can loop it using this button, and this whole part is called our region. Each individual part that we've looped is called a segment. So maybe there are things that you want to do with just segments as opposed to the whole region. If you want to change the name of your recording, right now it's going to save as Mr. Eccles' song. We can change it to Test Recording Number 1. So I've changed the name, and I want to save. You want to save probably about every 15 minutes, or maybe even more frequently than that. You can see that it's mixing right here, and that means it's going to make sure that the volume is at an appropriate level. If I want to share this recording, I'm going to go back to my home page. I could either click this, or I can click Exit Studio, either one. Now, depending on how long your project is, it might take a long time to mix. It might take up to 20 minutes for a really long project. So you're going to want to make sure you give yourself time to let that happen. I already have another recording here that I've already recorded for us, but you can't download it until it's done mixing. So to download and share, you'll simply click the three buttons, the three dots, scroll down to download, and it'll automatically download as an MP3. And it's going to try and ask you if you want to share Soundtrap with anyone, but you don't need to do that. And you can simply attach it in an email as an MP3.